Hi everyone, welcome back. We are officially kicking off the holiday season with two brand new collections that are sure to get your nails extra festive this holiday season. We're going to take a look at both of the collections and you can see the colors in action to see how they perform, from a beautiful retro classic Christmas colors to the perfect charming pink colors. You're definitely going to find something this holiday season to get your nails extra festive this year. To make nail art a little bit easier, we also added two new silicone molds from these adorable little bows to the perfect holiday mashup so you can create some really easy, effortless nail art. And the holiday season would not be complete without some brand new chromes to really give you that pop of bling you're looking for. So we have those traditional chrome colors from your classic green and that red and that perfect gold. And then we have some soft pink tones and we have a beautiful unicorn chrome that looks perfect over all the brand new colors in the Charming Pink collection. Here's the colors from the Charming Pink collection with that unicorn chrome on top of it. It is absolutely magical. So you can create all your pink Christmas dreams and make them come true this holiday season with our brand new Charming Pink collection. And then here's what that unicorn chrome looks like over a black polish. All right, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna go over all the gel polishes that are in the collections, and I'm going to swatch them so you can see how they perform. You're going to notice that these polishes are super opaque. You get great color payoff, and when you're working with these, you want to make sure you are working in really thin layers because it's going to give you the most even, bold coverage, and these gels are absolutely amazing. And we're going to start off with our retro Christmas collection. There are 6 gels in this one, and it also comes with those classic chromes from that beautiful gold, green, and the red. So if you do get the whole collection, there are 3 chromes included in it, which is absolutely fantastic. And then these colors are also available individually. Now, before I go ahead and cure the nail, I'm just going to go ahead and let this nail just self-level for a few moments, and then I'll go ahead and pop this in the lamp and cure for a full 60 seconds. And you can already see from that first coat, we have a beautiful coverage. This is definitely, the name is perfect for this one, the Old Fashioned Eggnog. It is the perfect eggnog color, and this is a great base color for if you want to implement any nail art, or it looks beautiful just on its own. So we're going to get into all the colors from this collection today. So enough chit chat. Let's get into the swatches so you can really see these colors come to life, and then let us know which collections or colors are your favorite in that comment section below. We would love to know. And everything that you saw in today's video will also be linked in that description box below to make shopping this holiday season just a little bit easier.
Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you.